uh, to calculate the grade GPA. How to calculate GPA? First of all, uh, you will enter the grade, the grade, the points, the grade points for each of the subjects or courses for each of the course. So now the credit unit for each of the course. Let me first of all enter the credit units for each of the course. So the credit units has been entered for each of the course. Now, what is the grade points for each subject? So the grade points, I think, is in electronics. It has a 4 points. In the electronic 4 points, then 3 points, 4 points, 3 points, 2.67, 1.67. Try to enter the point score in each subject. So I'm using the grid to get the points. So at the left hand of the screen, you will see where the grade scale is. So it is from the grade scale that I derive my points. I've entered the points. Now to find the grade average points, the point is being derived from this place, the grade scale. So like this 3 point means the scores is between 83 to 87. So now to find the points, that is the total points, the TP, the points. The grade points multiplied by the credit units. So that's what it has in electronics. You can drag it down to get others. I've calculated the total point for each course. So now to find the total, the GP will be total is equal to, you sum the total point from here to here, closing bracket, divided by the summation of the credit units. You close it here. So the GPA is the total summation of the total points all over summation of the total credit units. So this is the GPA being calculated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.